Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here is the daily Bitcoin update. Here is the Fear and Greed Index, and now look at this, 65 points. We have still greed in the market, but it's going down a little bit. Look at this, yesterday greed 73 points, last week extreme greed in the market 79 points, and last month greed in the market with 66 points. So the greed is going down, the fear is growing. And here is the coinmarketcap.com. Look at this. Bitcoin is going down a little bit with 4%. On 7 days, Bitcoin is going down with 14%. It's a really bad red bearish chart picture here for the last 7 days. Ethereum is going up. Ethereum is pumping. Ethereum is pumping with 4.48%. And on 7 days, Ethereum is pumping with 3.3%. And yes, guys, I told you we will reach on Ethereum a target of about $2,600. I told you this since a long days here. And yes, we reached it. So perfectly target reached. The next thing, Binance Coin. It's momently going down a little bit, 4.8%. On the week, Binance Coin is also going down a little bit with 0.29%. It's going sideways here. XRP is going down with 3.7%, but in the week, XRP is going down with 22%. ADA, Cardano is going down with 2%. In the week, ADA is going down with 16%. Dogecoin is also going down with 6%, but on the weekly, 122% in the plus. Polkadot is going down with 1.69%. In the week, it's going down with 17%. Uniswap is going down also a little bit on the weekly with 8%. Litecoin is going up with 1%. In the week, it's going down with 1.76%. So this is not the best picture for the moment. Everything or the most coins here are bleeding. Only the big winner is for the moment Ethereum. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now what coin is the biggest winner of 24 hours? Wah, 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 wah. The best performing coin here in 24 hours, the big winner is Compound with 11.2%. No, that's not real. The best performing coin is Solana with 13.8%. Number 2 is Compound with 11%, and number 3 is here the Maker with 10%. I never heard the Maker, okay? But it's the coin number 35. It's under the top 100 coins, and it's performing with 10.36%. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, what coin is the biggest loser of 24 hours? What coin is the baddest performing coin here in one day? Wah, 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 wah. Look at this. The baddest coin, the baddest performing coin is SIA coin, a minus about 12%. Nano also a minus about 11.3%, and Verge is going down with nearly 11%. These are the 3 baddest performing coins here of 24 hours. So here is the quick overview. What's going on with Bitcoin? We can see here the daily overview. We have on the moving averages a sell. We have on the summary a neutral, and on the oscillators also a neutral. On 4 hours, we have a sell, a strong sell on the moving averages, and the oscillators are neutral. On the 1 hour, a sell, and the moving averages are on a strong sell. 50 minutes, sell, strong sell, and the buy on the oscillators. So all in all, not the best picture here for Bitcoin for the moment. Not on the long time frame and not on the short time frame. That's not so good. Before we start, here is my live stream. I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. Here is my live stream. The name is Bitcoin Trading Informant. I'm live on YouTube and I'm live on Twitch, and this is it. Everything you need for trading is here on my live stream. Momently are watching 61 viewer here. Greetings to all viewer here. And ladies and gentlemen, my big boss of the channel is Juan, your Spartan. Greetings to my big boss. He's a VIP. He can ask me for CoinTA. He can ask me anything he wants. Special greetings to Crypto Sharknado. Thank you very much for your great donation here. And I wish you a lot of fun with my hoodie, because Crypto Sharknado ordered a hoodie in my fashion store. The link of my fashion store is under this stream or in the description of my YouTube video. So greetings here to Ben Jill, hello, and Jack McKenzie, hello, Angry Higgins, hi, Glatty is here also in the chat, who is also here, The Real Link is here, Sarcastic Stream is here, NX Studies is here. So greetings to you all here in my chat, and thank you very much for supporting me. Thank you to all of you guys here. You are watching my channel and you are trading here, and I think we are a nice community here. So that's this picture. Now let's start. This is the TA. This is the daily chart, and today I would like to show you another stuff. If you watch my videos here every day, you know I'm making a TA video every day, and today I would like to show you this one. This is making me very nervous. These are the Bollinger Bands. We are on the 1-day chart, so every candle is 1 day. And look at this, guys. Look at this picture. You can see something very interesting on this bull run since September, or since, yes, December. We only touched here, on this point here, the Bollinger Band on the downside here. We never saw here a confirmed closing candle here under this. We always we touched it here we did not touch it here also, and now on the moment, look at this, we are touching it very often, and it's going down and down and down, and look at this big wicks here. So normally a big wick to the downside, I told you guys, it's going to the upside. Here we saw the big wick to the downside, and then 1 or 2 upgoing candles or sideways going candles, and now it's going down. And this big wick to the upside from the daily candle is also a very bad sign, in my opinion. We saw here also this big wick to the upside, very bad, and it's going down. So for me, momently, it's an extreme bearish thing, an extreme bad situation here for Bitcoin, and in my opinion, it's very likely to see a downgoing Bitcoin or more downgoing Bitcoin here. So attention guys, if you are trading Bitcoin. Also very important, look at this, the dominance is going down from Bitcoin, under 50% now, 49.5% is the dominance. Ethereum dominance is growing, look at this, 11% for about 3 or 4 days, now 14%. So Ethereum is going up. It's better to trade momentarily Ethereum as Bitcoin for sure. So the daily chart. Let's check the next indicators. What is telling us the ribbon band? And let's check this one here. The ribbon band is not here. Where it is? Where is my ribbon band? Here it is. The ribbon band is this green line here, and you can see we are fighting under the ribbon band. The ribbon band is a resistance. It's still a green ribbon band, and look at this. The ribbon band is green and green and green since this point here. Since 10th of October 2020, we have a green nice ribbon band and a long position for the daily chart since this point. We never had since this point a short position here. For the moment, it's looking very bad. Look at this. This ribbon band was the best friend of our bull run. Look at this. We really never spiked under this ribbon band. Look at this one here. The spike directly to the last ribbon band here. Also the spike directly, or a little bit under it, but directly to the last ribbon band here. To the third ribbon band and here. And now look at this. We are now completely under the ribbon band, and the baddest thing at all, we have a closing candle under the ribbon band. And guys, that's in my opinion one of the baddest things what we can see momently for Bitcoin. So this is also a thing that makes me a little bit bearish here. A little bit, I'm really afraid of. Okay, but okay. The next thing, look at this yellow line. The yellow line is coming from the downside, and this one is our EMA 200 line, and this is momently the price for this very nice support here to the downside. 39,000, 38,900 is momently the support line what is coming from the downside. Okay, guys, that's this this picture. What is telling us the MACD? MACD is here, and we have a really bearish MACD with growing red candles. Not good. The blue line under the brown line, the crossing was here on this point, and since this point we have a really big problem with Bitcoin for the moment. So the next thing, what's going on with the relative strength index? Relative strength index is going down and down and down more. Okay, for sure. We are not oversold. We are on 38 points, so there's a lot of space to the downside. And something we may watch here is this line. This downgoing line here is our resistance line. And look at this long way to the upside. So we have here a long way to the upside. It's still possible to see a pumping Bitcoin till this red line here, and then the next bounce to the downside. So from the RSI, we have a lot of space to the upside to this line. The support line from the downside is from this point over this point and we broke it. Yes, we broke this support line completely. Maybe like this here, this was our green support line and we broke it here on this point. It's also a very bearish point. So in my opinion, the RSI is also really, really bearish here for Bitcoin. Okay, what's going on with the MA21? I think it's not necessary. The MA21 is on the upside here. It's a big resistance. Also not necessary to look at this. Let's check the next thing a little bit deeper. What's going on the 4-hour chart? What is telling us the Bollinger Band here and what is telling us the Ribbon Band here? So the 4-hour chart is interesting. Look at this. The Bollinger Band is here. We see the red line. The red line of the Bollinger Band is this one here. Let's check. Let's turn off the EMA ribbon. You can see the red line. And the red line of the Bollinger Band is momently working here as a resistance. Look at this. Here it was a nice support on this bullish pump here. Here it was a resistance. Here it was a resistance. Here the spike over it, resistance, spike over it, resistance again. The Bollinger Band is momently a big resistance. We need to watch this. I showed you on my last videos, let's remove the Bollinger Band. I showed you on the last videos the thing I'm looking for momently here. This is a trend line. This is a trend line and the trend line is a resistance for the moment. Something like this here. And also from the downside, we can see here a line from this point to this point. So we are forming a triangle here. And I think this is the biggest thing we have to watch for the moment. This triangle, the green line here is the support line. As long as we are over this support line, everything is fine. The red line is the resistance. And this is the, in my opinion, this is the biggest thing we have to watch. This is this price here. The price is 53,000. This is the biggest thing, or 52,900, the biggest thing we have to watch. As long as we are acting in this triangle, everything is fine. But if we will fall under this extreme important support here, we have a big problem. In my opinion, we have a big problem there. Also, we have another triangle, a little one. This is maybe not from this here. Let me check from this here to this here. This is also a triangle in the triangle, and this is also a resistance. So this is a little triangle on the 4-hour chart. Or let me check this. Let me say it so. Guys, this is the big triangle here on the 4-hour chart. If we are going in here in the 1-hour chart, we have another triangle to watch. This is this triangle here. And if this triangle will break out to the upside or to the downside, we have the same bottom here. We have the same downline here, the same support. But if it will break out to the upside, we have a target here. It depends always where we will break out, something like this here. This will be the target to the upside. The technical target is this point here, 60,000. In my opinion, the more important target is this one here. This is the line 59,000. This is this downcoming resistance line from the upside here. So if we will break out here from this triangle, this would be a very, very nice trade and I will make a long position. But for the moment, I'm so bearish, I am afraid a little bit. Okay, on the downside, if we will break Bitcoin to the down, if Bitcoin will break to the downside here, this green line here, I can show you what's going on here. BITI, what are you making here? Oh, that's better. If we're breaking down this triangle, we have another target to watch. This is this technical target for breaking down the triangle, 47,000. The big picture here, the big triangle has other price targets, but it's not important for us for the moment. For the moment, it's more important to see 47,000 to the downside and 60,000 or 59,000 to the upside. These are the biggest things, in my opinion, to watch for the moment. The next thing we can check is a Fibonacci line. I will show you this here. A Fibonacci retracement from the highest point to this lowest point here. So this is a Fibonacci line in the 1-hour chart, and we can watch these Fibonacci lines. They are not unimportant. Here you can see this was the golden pocket. This was the 0.786 Fibonacci line. And you can see, or this is this line, and you can see Bitcoin is reacting here on this line. Here you can see it, a spike over this line, a closing candle, a spike under this line, here a spike over this, closing candles, and then the big dump to the upside. And now, momently, you can see we have here the next thing to watch. This is the last low. This point here was the last low. And this is also on 50,100, also a big support for the moment we have to watch. If we will break down this little target to the downside, we have this support here, the last support, 51,000, before we may reach 47,000. So guys, you need to watch this target to the downside also. And look at this, momently we are breaking down, momently we are spiking under our support line, under our green support line. If you have a closing candle under this, this would be very bad for Bitcoin. I must upload this video very quick. This is very important for my community to watch. We're momently breaking down. You can see also this point, if we are breaking under this point, this was the last low, 52,500, we may have a problem. Momently we have 52,800. So problem. We need to watch this. We need to stay over this point. Normally, it's very important. This is a very important point for Bitcoin. Guys, I have to upload this video very quick. Thank you very much for watching. I hope, guys, it doesn't matter if you go long or short from here. I wish you make millions out there with your trade. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you just the best. Greetings, and I hope you see us in my live stream, Bitcoin Trading Informant, on Twitch or on YouTube here in the chat. Thank you very much, and bye-bye. Special greetings to Crypto Sharknado.